Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Stay home, stay safe, okay? Because the corona is very dangerous, but we have to be very curious of taking care. Wash your hands, sanitize your hand and everything. So, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about Newton's third law of motion. In the last two videos, we have discussed Newton's first law of motion, Newton's second law of motion. Shall we revise that? What Newton's first law says? Newton's first law says that whenever a body is in its rest position or in its uniform position, means motion position, it will be in its position until and unless an external force is applied on it. This was your Newton's first law of motion. In second video, we have seen that force is directly proportional to mass into acceleration. Right? Now, this is the third law of motion. What does this statement say? That every action has got equal and opposite reaction. What does the statement say? Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Okay? Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Now, in our day-to-day life, what are examples we are saying that we are going to relate it with the statement, and we are going to understand and discuss what this Newton's third law of motion states. For example, every day you are waking up early in the morning, you are going for a jogging. Okay? After jogging, you may be doing some warm-up exercises. In that, you are You are jumping with the help of skipping rope. So just imagine what is that process going on. You jump means what is happening? You are exerting a downward force on the ground, and what will happen? Ground will exert an opposite force on your body, right? What will happen? You will exert a force, right? You will jump like this, okay? That means you will exert a force on the ground, and ground will exert an opposite force on you. That is the reason why you are able to jump again and again, and you can do the exercise regularly. So what is happening? Every action has equal and opposite reaction. If you exert a force, it will also exert a force. This was the first example, and we can write it as jumping. Okay, we can write it as jumping. Second example. Have you ever seen the birds flying in the air? Yes. Now, can you relate this with the statement every action there is equal and opposite reaction? Now see, while the birds are flying, what they are doing? They are flipping their wings, okay? They are shaking their wings like this. Now what is happening? When they do like this, what will happen? Their wings will apply a downward force, okay? Wings, see, we will try to draw. This is the bird, okay? What will happen? This bird is trying to pull its wing, right? Now, these wings will apply a downward force, okay? And the air will exert the upward force, okay? Right? When it do like this, what will happen? It will exert a downward force, and air will uplift the bird in the air, okay? So that is the reason why birds can fly high altitude. Okay, and now the second reason behind this is the birds are very light in weight. Okay, they are very light in weight and their body is little bit hollow type. Hollow type means what? They don't have enough amount of mass. So that is the reason they can fly up in the air. So you can write birds fly in the air. Okay. Third example will take about a swimmer. Okay. Swimmer. What does the swimmer do? Whenever he dives inside the water, what will happen? He will try to pull the water by its both the hands, right? He will do like this, like this. What is that action? Hands are exerting a force on the water and water will exert a upthrust force on its body. Okay? What will happen? Hand will exert a backward force, okay, on the water and water will exert a upthrust force on the body. That is the reason why swimmers can swim under the water. Right? Swimmers can swim under the water. In this also, what is happening? Action and opposite reaction is taking place. Okay? Swimmer is exerting a backward force with his hand and water is giving a upward force on his body. Right? Same is happening with the fishes also. Fishes, jellyfish. Okay? All these reasons and all these examples comes under the Newton's third law of motion. Okay, I want you to collect some more examples which are related to Newton's third law of motion and you can note it down in your notebook. And in this way we have completed all the three Newton's laws of motion. I hope all the three videos are very clear to you. If you are having interest, so you can collect the daily life examples and you can note it down in your notebook. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.